Good evening, guys. Yeah, the worksheet that I've given you is about polynomials, and I thought I would make another video to help you out in solving this worksheet. So I'm just making this video to make sure that everybody, even I hope that everybody knows this concept for sure, but I just have doubts if some of you may have a trouble solving this paper. So I just want to brush up the basics again. First thing that I want to discuss about is uh, when you talk about polynomials, right? So you need to know that there are three types of polynomials. First one, you call it monomial. Monomials have how many terms in them? They have only one term in them. What about binomials? Binomials are those polynomials which have two terms in them, right? Now trinomials, a polynomial in which you have three terms, and beyond that you just call it a polynomial. But specifically when it comes to one term, you call it a monomial. When it comes to having two terms in a polynomial, it's called as a binomial, and when there are three terms in a polynomial, it's called a trinomial. We need to mark these words, which are the keywords for us, right? Getting back to the question, what is the question? The question is, expression 5a square plus a, is it a trinomial? So what we need to know, what is the meaning of a trinomial. Trinomial is something in which you have three terms, right? So do you have three terms in this question? No, I can see one term here and the other term is a. 5a square is one term and a is another term. So there are only two terms in this. So I cannot call this a trinomial, because in a trinomial necessarily there should be three terms, but here I have only two terms, so it's not a trinomial. So the answer for this question is not a trinomial. So whether you have to state whether it's true or false, so you call it false.